Hello everybody, today we are here at KPOT in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and today I'm going to be cooking a steak. Yeah. Get this. Okay, so here it is. It's a pretty good steak. It's actually called a KPOT steak. So, here we go. Right now it's about time to flip it, so here we go. Look at that side, that's good. Now I got the other side in there sizzling. When you're cooking a steak, you always want to hear that. So just to give the steak some seasoning, I'm going to put some salt on it right now. Just make it look a bit good. Let's see. Right now it's about time for us to eat the steak, and lucky me gets to eat the whole steak. Here she is, all in all, beautiful. Let's get all that. She's absolutely beautiful. So here she is. I'm about to cut a bite off so I can eat it. I do already have some bites off, but this one's going to be the one. Let's see. Let's just cut this one and, well, that's good. Anyways, here we go. This steak is Colt approved.